Welcome to my channel Learn with Dr. Shweta.
Hello everyone.
In today's video, let's learn the use of at, in and on. So at, in and on are used to denote different levels of specificity and types of time references. So at is used for specific times and precise points. In is used for longer periods like months, years and seasons. On is used for days of the week, dates and specific days. तो आप इसे ऐसे याद कर सकते हैं. T comes in at, so you can remember that T is equal to time. So at is used for specific time. On. For on you can remember the word dawn, D-O-N. So D stand for days. So before days you have to use on. And for rest of the longer periods you can use in. Simple. So always use in when you have to refer longer periods such as months, years and seasons. Now let's solve this worksheet. We will meet blank 3 p.m. 3 p.m. is specific time. So we will meet at 3 p.m. She was born blank 1995. 1995 is year. So she was born in 1995. They go for a walk blank Sundays. Sundays, day. So we will use on. They go for a walk on Sundays. I have a meeting blank July. July, month. So we will use in. I have a meeting in July. The concert starts blank noon. Noon means 12 o'clock in the day. So specific time. So we will use at. The concert starts at noon. She arrived Friday evening. Day, so on. She arrived on Friday evening. My train will arrive at the station blank 8:30 a.m. Specific time 8:30 a.m. So we will use at. The train will arrive at the station at 8:30 a.m. My birthday is blank October. October is a month. So in. My birthday is in October. They plan to visit us blank New Year's Day. Day, so we will use on. They plan to visit us on New Year's Day. We usually have dinner blank the evening. Evening refers to longer period of time. So we cannot predict the exact time. So we will use in. We usually have dinner in the evening.
Thank you for watching, and for more such contents, please subscribe to my channel Learn with Dr. Shweta.